Ready? Here we go, Evan. You ready? Okay. Yay, good job. We ready, Mom?
Yep, we're ready.
Rolling? Evan, where's your nose?
Good job.
Where's your ears? Where's your hair? That's my hair. Where's your hair?
Good job.
Evan, where are your feet?
Where are your feet?
Evan. Those are Mommy's.
That's right. That's Mommy's foot. Good. Where's your belly button? No, we don't want Mommy's belly button. Evan.
Where's your belly button?
Where's your belly button? There it is. Evan, what does a cow say? What does a cow say? Good job.
Can you say please?
Can you say please? Good job. Can you say
dog?
Doggy?
Dog? Can you say dog?
Good job.
Right.
Can you say kitty cat?
Can you say cat?
Cat?
Cat. Don't chew on your shirt. Can you say cat?
Can you say kitty cat?
Evan, can you say cat?
No.
No, you don't want to say cat right now?
Can you say
more?
More?
Can I see this? You're going to break that.
Can you say more? Good job. Can you say yucky?
What's yucky?
Can you say yucky? Say yucky.
Okay.
Okay, that was pretty good. Oh, can you say silly? Silly. Good job. You're such a big boy. We're so proud of you and everything you learned. Can you show Daddy how Grandma showed you how to dance today? Can you dance? Dancing. Dancing like a little boy. I'm not gonna dance because I'm eating my shirt.
You gonna dance?
Can you dance?
Can you dance? Dance?
Do you think we're getting new teeth? I think so.